We do so much for people, man. We really, really do a lot for people. But not everybody understands what value is. People are still uncertain of how they spend their money. And you have to be more certain than they are from every angle possible about what they get back in return for the money that they spent. Good example of this is your deal yesterday, who's already got remorse. He's trying to hold on to that money. Let me tell you something. I spent $5,000 yesterday so I could get a consultant to tell me what color button I should have on my software. Okay? $5,000 for a button color. Value is in the eyes of the beholder. But you see, if I can spend $5,000 on a button color, that then allows me, it does two things, a negative and a positive thing. It makes me very impatient with people that don't want to spend 16 grand on something that's actually worth about 500 grand in payroll per year. That's what it costs, by the way, to have a marketing person set up everything, an in-house marketer support them, a sales trainer, a business coach, which is effectively a fractional CRO or CEO, to have copywriters on deck, to have a recruitment account manager, to have all these things is probably going to cost a color of a button on a website. Right? And we're charging 16, 12 grand for these people to get really 500 grand's worth of employee into their business payroll. So it's perspective, man. It's perspective. And the people here who have spent the most on their business can understand what I'm saying here, right? Is we got to spend money fast to get money fast. Everything is about speed and decisions.